we're jumping straight into this. I got beta profiles up here. We're gonna install the profile. I should probably do a backup. Whatever. Who cares about a backup? Anyway, I'm probably not gonna downgrade either way. So, password, don't put this. I just entered it in wrong. Dang it. Install, restart. Alright. Doing restart first. Then we're getting into this. Let me pull it up sidecar. So, I have a lot of thoughts about the event, but I'll get into it in a bit. I might also do the MacBook Air video as well. Probably do that. iOS 14 and iOS 16. I don't remember that really. Patiently waiting on the iPhone. Operation could not be completed, obviously, because it restarted. So, try it again. New movie recording. It's not connected yet. Dang it. Okay. What the hell? There it is. What the? There it is. What the? It keeps on disconnecting. What? Should we do it over QuickTime? Or not QuickTime, AirPlay? Maybe I'm gonna do QuickTime still, just because it's more stable. New movie recording. I'm getting spam with notifications right now. What the hell is this? Why is it being so stupid? Try it again. Can install 50.5, make a backup. Install 16, stay 50.1. Stay 15.1. Okay, if you want the jailbreak, stay 15.1. Alright, let me keep going with this camera. QuickTime. Let me disconnect and reconnect. And we are. Okay. So, settings, general, software update, and iOS 16 beta update requested and still later. What does this do? Things are already different. There we go, it's installing. I don't know why it says install later. It's a bit weird. Anyway. Yeah, iOS 16, 31 minutes remaining. Okay, we're gonna be here for 18 minutes remaining. Okay, we're not gonna be here for a while. Sorry for sickness. Yeah, I got sick right before this, like a couple days before this event. So, yeah. I also am going to attempt to the macOS Ventura install as well. So we're gonna do that. That's gonna be fun. Okay, you should probably set up a second display, sidecar, because that's always gotten right, or has always gotten well. Personalize your lock screen. Yes, we have a lot of things to go over. Yeah, but let me minimize this. Let me close out about this. I have a separate partition for macOS Ventura, so let's also do that as well. Why not? Why not? So this is a separate partition. This is not going to be obviously my main partition, but Yeah, we'll have to see. So, developer access utility, PKG. So this one's gonna be a bit harder because, well, thing is that obviously I won't be able to, stream it. I won't be able to stream it live. There we go. Okay, I won't be able to stream it live, obviously. Finding update. So this should install the install utility, and then we should be able to select our drive or our volume, and we should be able to update it without it tampering the main system. Are you sure you want to download Monterey 12.5 beta? What? This is not. Oh, there it is. 13. macOS 13 beta. But it said Monterey. What? And it even redirects to the Monterey site. What? Already things are being a bit weird. Okay, whatever. I guess we'll update. So close out of this. Close. Where's trash? 6 hours remaining. I just realized that macOS updates are so big. Yeah, it's 5 hours remaining. Okay then. Well, we're gonna be here for like a while. How much storage do I have? 41 gigs, and I have obviously the separate volume. Is it called a container or volume? I'm gonna say volume. The separate volume for it. But I guess iOS 16 is not gonna take 6 hours. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, I can't wait to see the new lock speed either. And I was surprised by the supported devices. So yes, for the first time since oh my god, why is this suck so much? QuickTime sucks so much. Screw QuickTime. We're gonna use AirPlay. I don't care anymore. QuickTime sucks. If AirPlay will even work, because it just, oh my god, installation failed. Obviously, because we changed networks. Cannot be joined. Does why does everything suck right now? Oh shoot. Okay, so I changed the network accidentally. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I changed the network accidentally, but okay, I changed the network accidentally. We're back now, so it should be good. Colon or key word should. Yeah, I forgot about that. Anyway, try again. macOS 13 beta and iOS 16 as well, cause yeah, Mac not even showing up. Why? 1 day remaining. Why? Why does everything just not want to work? Wow. There's no AirPlay for the Mac. Okay, whatever. Let's just try QuickTime again. If QuickTime sucks, then I don't know what to do. But we're at 4 minutes remaining. This is going like kind of quickly. Knock on wood so that it doesn't. We don't change that. Anyway. It's not even showing up. Why? Why does QuickTime suck so much? There we go. Showing up. I don't want a microphone. I want that. MacBook Air microphone, yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Stay. Good. Okay. Hopefully, does it change? Anyway. Alright. Anyway, so we have 10 minutes remaining according to the installation thing. I do like with the look of the new wallpaper. Um, and I also want to discuss the software support. Anyway, so we have 10 minutes remaining. Okay, yeah, I do want to discuss some of the software support. So, software support is a bit weird. First off, let me talk about iPhone because this one was pretty interesting. So, iOS 15, let's see a preview of iOS 16. So, iOS 16, let me go down to the software support. So, first off, new CarPlay looks pretty cool. That's coming in late 2023, though. So, yeah. But here we go. Here we go. Here's compatibility. So first off, notice how it's a whole lot smaller than the iOS 15 compatibility. Let me go over to the iOS 15 compatibility list real quick, because it is a whole lot less devices supported now than iOS 15. Yeah. See, here we go. So look at iOS 15, iOS 16. Yeah, it's a whole lot less devices. But as you may notice, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus are the oldest devices supported with iOS 16. Yes, iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, SE first gen, 7, and 7 Plus, iPod Touch 7th gen, finally, all gone. That's 6 devices. I think that's the most that they've ever dropped with one update. That's kind of crazy. So, yeah, iOS 16 drops a lot of devices, and iPhone SE second gen or later still supported. Obviously, that's my device. So yeah. Speaking of my device, we are at 8 minutes remaining. The stupid thing is that the time changes in QuickTime from whatever time it is to 9:41 a.m. So we can't see the exact time. So that kind of sucks, but whatever. And but stupid thing about this the software compatibility is that iPadOS 16 for some reason, so iPadOS 16 also drops a couple devices, but nowhere near, or I think it's somewhere about the same date, or nowhere near as much as what iOS 16. So all iPad Pro models are still supported. So iPad Pro A9X or later. iPad Air 2 is dropped now, so if you have an iPad Air 2, rest in peace. iPad 5th gen and later. So the iPad 5th gen has the A9 chip, 6th gen A10, 7th gen also A10, but they're not supporting the iPhone 7 and 6S, which also have A9 and A10. And they're still supporting this iPad 5th gen and later. I have no idea. That's so weird. And iPad Mini 5th gen and later as well. So, yeah, iPad Mini 4 is dropped. So, only iPad Air 2 and iPad Mini 4 are dropped from iPadOS 16. And for macOS Ventura, I like that name, Ventura. Hold up, before we get to Ventura, let's talk about WatchOS 9. WatchOS 9 seems 9. It's been a long day. WatchOS 9 seems like a pretty decent upgrade. If to be honest, I was kind of not paying attention to WatchOS 9. But yeah, things do look pretty cool with WatchOS 9, but kind of interestingly, they dropped support for the Series 3, even though even though the Series 3 is still being sold. We go to watch. Series 3 is still being sold. Why did they drop support for it if it's still being sold? That's so weird. How they drop support for it even though it's still being sold. So yeah. Dang, there's a lot of people watching right now. Dang. But yeah, they're still supporting a series, or they drop support for a Series 3 even though it's still being sold. That's so weird. That's kind of an indicator to me that they're gonna kill it off soon. And macOS Ventura, that's a very cool name, Ventura. Um, Also, drop support for a lot of Macs. You can tell they are getting rid of as many Intel Macs as they possibly can, so that they can pave the way for Apple Silicon. So as you can see, 2017 iMac and later. So previously the late 2015 iMac was supported. Now 2017 and later. So 2015 drop. iMac Pro still supported. MacBook Air from 2015 and 2017 are dropped. So just 2018 and later now. MacBook Pro for 2015 and 2016 are also dropped. So 2017 and later for MacBook Pro. Mac Pro 2013, F in the chat because Mac Pro 2013 is finally dropped. Trash Can Mac Pro finally dropped. And Mac Mini 2014 is also finally dropped, thank God. And MacBook, last 12-inch MacBook supported, and that's mostly going to drop next year. So, there you go. My predictions were pretty accurate, except for MacBook. I was thinking 2016 and later. No, killed all of that off. Just 2017 and later. It's pretty crazy. So you need a Mac from at least 2017 and later to be supported. That's thing. They killed off a lot of stuff. They killed off a lot of stuff. Yeah. So there you go. And obviously MacBook Air M2. I have the MacBook Air M1 I bought a couple of months ago. Kind of stupid of me to get that one. I'm just kidding. I mean, like, they're still selling the M1 MacBook Air for the same price. So, I mean, I don't feel that stupid. So, yeah. But MacBook Air M2 seems like a pretty good upgrade. MacBook Pro 13-inch. I'm so confused by this thing. Why is this thing not have a design change? Why is this thing still... It makes no sense. This thing makes no sense whatsoever. There's no MagSafe on this thing either. It's just weird. The 13-inch MacBook Pro is so weird. Yeah, it's so weird. They just reused the marketing images. I bet you this is the same market. Yeah, when the installation started, did you install the beta? It is currently installing. We have 1 minute remaining, but that's 1 minute until the preparing update screen. So that's gonna take a while. And so that's why I got installing. Paused. What? The update paused. I've never seen this before. It just paused. Oh, never mind. 2 minutes remaining now. So, what? What just happened there? Whatever. Okay, 5.21 gigabytes. That's okay. That's a bit less. What's my storage looking like? That's still kind of good. Yeah, next Mac I'm getting is definitely gonna have more storage. Definitely more storage. Okay, 256. Definitely. Probably some allergies right now, but yeah. Anyway, they have 3.4 megabytes. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, we have 2 minutes remaining on iOS. According to macOS 3.3 from 3.4 for macOS 13 beta. Yeah, I should probably, if I'm doing macOS beta, I should probably pull out a device to backups stream. Should pull out a device for backup stream. I paused again. Is this something with my storage? No, not with my storage. What's happening? It keeps pausing. The update keeps pausing. Now we're at 1 minute remaining. So weird. macOS 13 beta, no progress. Or no progress. UTA, that is. So yeah, there you go. I wish I got a capture card so I can see this all happen in real time with even like the progress bar, things like that. But QuickTime will do. Yeah. Do you need to pay $97 for the sub? Pretty sure you're talking about the beta profile or the developer program. This is from betaprofiles.com, so just go to betaprofiles.com, download the profile, and install it. So there you go. Who's install? Who? That's probably your worst typo ever, Kyle. That's probably your worst typo ever. Yeah. Anyway, so iOS 16 preparing update for that thing. So yeah. Stay hydrated. So you want it's it like me anyway. Updating 3 devices. Updating 3 iPhone 12 Pros, 2 iPad Pros, 3 Apple Watch Series 7, and 2 MacBooks on the new updates. Apple servers hate me. Oh, yikes. Okay, my macOS 13 beta only had 4.2 gigabytes. I should also probably change the title of the stream to iOS 16 and macOS 13. Let me change it real quick. iOS 16, beta 1, and macOS Ventura. Save. Anyway, there you go. Anyway, so we have 75 out of this going. It's blazing speed, obviously. No, it's not. Anyway, damn, that's a lot of notifications we're getting. Okay, yeah. So there you go. That's that's all of that. So we're still installing, preparing update. Did we make any progress? Seems like that bar is moving like kind of fast. So here we go. Let me see a couple of these uh, things from Dum. And I'm gonna do the MacBook Air history video soon. Hopefully, uh, yeah, that's hopefully coming out probably later today. Thing is, like a week ago, I was like not really expecting a MacBook Air at this event, but we got a MacBook Air at this event, so there you go. Oh yeah, the continuity camera in macOS as well. That's pretty cool. I guess I might try that out. I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of things to dig into. I'm most excited for the lock screen update, as most people are. But yeah, on macOS 30 minutes. Preparing update always takes forever. Yeah, I canceled the stream one time because of that. Tell me, should I install beta on iPhone 10? I'm facing too much heat and battery issues. Don't do it. If you're facing heat and battery issues, don't do it. Beta will only make it worse. So, there you go. Your iPhone's almost ready. What do you think of iOS 16? It looks like a very decent upgrade. Finally, a decent upgrade over the Hellstorm. That's iOS 15. But hopefully, it won't end up like a bug storm like iOS 15. Apparently, it's still buggy. Even in like yesterday, I believe Mark Gurman, or a couple days ago, Mark Gurman said that it's still buggy, and that was a couple of days ago. So this is still going to be pretty buggy. But this is beta 1 we're talking about, so maybe it might get better. But Gurman also said that they pushed developer beta or public beta. Excuse me, the public beta is pushed to beta 3. Normally it comes up to beta 2, but it's pushed to beta 3 now. So yeah, it's definitely pushed back a lot. So that doesn't bode well for stability. Yeah, stability. I'm having. Yeah. So stability, I'm kind of worried about for that. Preparing update. We made very little progress on preparing updates. Does Apple Pay later? There's multi-stop routing and maps. Smarter dictation. We can try that out. Shortcuts with zero setup. Run shortcuts as Siri as soon. Run a shortcut with Siri as soon as you install an app. No setup required. I think they also pre-installed the fitness app without the need of an Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. Live text for video. This is something I'm pretty excited for. And lift a subject from background. That's also a really cool thing. Passkeys. I briefed over passkeys. I'll have to see what the passkeys are a bit more. Is the State of the Union on right now. Let me see. Developer.apple.com. WWDC. State of the Union. Where's the State of the Union? For those who don't know, State of the Union is like a deep dive into all the. Watch the State of the Union. There we go. That's what I'm waiting for. 1 p.m. PDT. So State of the Union should be in about 20 or 18 minutes. So there you go. Let's look over the feature list for iOS 16. All new features. There we go. Let's see. Lock screen stuff. This is definitely probably paving the way for the. This is definitely paving the way for the always on display the iPhone 14. iCloud shared photo library. Cool. I don't know what that is really. Messages, you can finally edit a message and undo a message. Share plain messages, shared with you API. Smart search corrections and all that stuff. Safari. Web push notifications. So that's something in macOS that's coming in 2023. So I guess that's probably gonna be. I assume that's probably gonna be iOS 16.4, 16.5 or something. Yeah. Let me catch up on the chat quick. 51 viewers. I think that's close to the most that we've had on one of these. Let's see. So hopefully banking apps will look. Now iOS 15 looks boring. What iPhone are you installing this on? Do you see the landscape face ID unlocked? Well, I'm installing this on an iPhone SE 2, so this is not going to be landscape face ID. I'm installing the iOS 16 next to you. Cool. What works for this? No big difference from iOS 14 to 15. 15 to 16 now looks like a big difference. Hope we'll see the new iOS on your device now soon. Preparing the update still. We made very little progress. Just need to make sure that it's still working. Okay. Is there an option to download the iPad OS beta profile without being authorized developer? Shoot, I'm getting a phone call from my mom. Hang on. Let me mute the microphone real quick. Okay, just got a phone call from my mom. That was very terrible timing. Anyway, so yeah, you just use it for the beta profiles. So that's what I'm using. I'm ready to try it with you. I am still installing it. It's taking forever. Preparing updates still. Sorry. Sorry. Why the Apple servers. So the person who's installing on like 70 devices in that chat, yeah, it's probably the guy who's blogging or bogging out the servers. Apple servers are getting pretty slammed right now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Just buffered for a bit, I believe. Lucas, the lock screen looks new. Yeah. So, oh my god, man, yeah, I'm just a bit sick right now. Anyway, yeah, every iOS update takes forever. Yeah, how do you install? So, basically, go to betaprofiles.com, select install profile, and then yeah, you know rest. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, there you go. Beta profiles. It's the place to go if you need to. If you need some profiles, go to beta profiles. Yeah. And just see all this stuff. There's a new ad. Preparing update. ISP test. OS just read it. Preparing update. Yeah. Okay, so we have all that. Ventura. Yeah, clock and weather app are now on the Mac. Finally, a damn clock app in the Mac. And we're making progress on iOS. Finally, Mac OS. I think we're making progress. I have a temptation to install iPad OS 16 on my iPad. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. I have a temptation to. What app are you using to have your iPhone on your Mac? QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player. Obviously, you just plug in your device. You click over here, camera, iPhone. Yeah. And pretty sure. So they finally added some support to. Yeah, they finally added some exclusive features to the M1 iPad. Uh, I want to install the new update on my iPad, but my iPad's on 15.1. Did you make a backup? No. I probably should have. Let me. Should I do a backup right now? I mean, I should probably. Let me do an iCloud. Do I have any? Do I have iCloud storage? I'll try. I'll try to do iCloud backup. I'll do iCloud backup for now. Yeah. Anyway, it brings haptic feedback to the keyboard now. We have haptic feedback on the keyboard. Finally, let's go. Um, Safari extensions syncing. Okay, that's pretty cool. Website settings sync. It's pretty cool. Web page image translation. Really excited for that as well. Um, Live text for videos, quick actions, and translation as well. So that's again real cool. Easy shortcut setup, so now you can run shortcuts with Siri as soon as you download it up. No setup required. I can't wait to see those shortcuts updates either. On your dictation experience, emoji support with dictation, Apple Pay Later, key sharing, redesigned home app, health app. There's a new fitness app now for all iPhone users, so you don't need an Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. Improved child account setup, and there's also, I believe, some safety features. Safety check, we'll talk about that in a bit. Next generation of CarPlay, so completely redesigned as well. Yeah, all new stuff. I want an iPhone with M1 inside. You should make a backup before update. Yeah, don't be like me. Make a backup before you update, okay? Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Always make a backup before you upgrade, okay? Safety check. So safety check is what you're in if in like domestic violence situations, you could change, you could reset all the access features that people you're related to have. So I mean that's pretty cool. That Apple's like those features, rapid security response, landscape face ID. Yep, on supported iPhone models. They don't specify which supported iPhone models. I have to assume probably iPhone 12 and later. I'm gonna assume iPhone 12 and later because they limited Mask ID, Mask ID to iPhone, uh, iPhone 12 and later. So I'm assuming iPhone 12 and later for this one. Apple Watch mirroring, so all the accessibility features we saw, and even more. App clips updated, dictionary, Freeform. That's their new app. Game Center, iCloud Plus updates, keyboard, emoji, notes, photos, podcasts, reminders, spotlights, docs, system, tips, TV app, visual lookup, and weather. Severe weather notifications as well. That's something. Hey, pause. We got it. iOS 16 developer beta is installed. I should probably cancel the backup real quick. Again, don't be like me. Don't be like me and then install the not available iCloud storage, whatever. Don't be like me. Make a backup. Here we go. iOS 16. Goodbye, iOS 15. The hell stormed at the iOS 15. Let's go. All right, iOS 16 developer beta. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I was waiting for that moment. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, this new wallpapers. Yeah, this new wallpapers. You're trying it out now. All new wallpapers. What iPhone are you using? iPhone SE2. Let's see. I want an iPhone with M1 said that would be entirely useless, but whatever. Main updates I remember 11.4.150. Yeah, no those. Improve battery and performance, and also camera. Well, beta. It's beta, so don't expect camera. Don't expect performance or battery improvements. Camera updates. I mean, like there's some like camera features. There's live text for video, which is pretty cool. I have iOS 50.6. I have my iPhone 8. That's the oldest device supported. Goodbye iOS 15. Yeah, iOS 15 is annoying. What are you most excited for? I'm most excited for the lock screen updates. When it comes to all the other stuff, Mac OS, I'm pretty excited for. Yeah, actually don't know what what I'm really excited for Ventura. Uh, iPad OS, I'm excited that there's finally some exclusive features for the M1 chip. Finally, yeah, and when it comes to the other stuff, WatchOS. I'm also excited for Fitness app being on iPhone. Without needing an Apple Watch. Yeah, new lock screen. I'm excited. That's the main thing I'm excited for. That's kind of like the new lock screen's kind of like the Apple Watch faces, except they are on the iPhone now, which is pretty cool. And yeah, the sheet slow. Yeah, it is slow. It is slow. I think this is faster than the iOS 15 one. iOS 15 took forever. iOS GMs always take forever. Yeah. tvOS 16 is actually a thing. tvOS 16 is actually a thing apparently. Yeah, they didn't talk anything about tvOS at the event, which is kind of surprising. At the same time, it felt like they wanted to make some time for the M2 Mac, the M2 MacBook Air, M2 MacBook Pro, and M2 chip in general. When it comes to my thoughts on M2 stuff, M2 chip in general, M2 chip looks to be a pretty good update over the M1 Air. All your design. So M2 chip looks to be a pretty good upgrade over the M1 chip. I have the M1 chip already. This thing is fast. M2 looks to be even more faster. Oh wow, it's kind of buggy. We have Midnight. Midnight's definitely the best color of the MacBook Air. Space Gray, Silver, and Starlight. Yeah, Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. Yeah. Yeah, Silence, no fan. Yeah, all that stuff. all that stuff. M2 chip is, again, looks to be a pretty decent upgrade over M1, but yeah, it looks to be a pretty good upgrade over M1. Gaming 1.3 times, 1.6 times, 1.4 times, 3 times faster as ProRes. I'm not doing anything with ProRes though, so yeah. Intel-based MacBook Air, obviously it's gonna be faster than the Intel one. Yeah. Why are they comparing it? I think they were comparing it to the 8th gen Core i5. Why are they comparing it to 8th gen one? Compare it to the Core i7. Hi from Ukraine. Oh, Ukraine. Are you doing good over there? Because, yeah, things seem a bit rough over there. Hopefully you're doing good. Can I roll back to iOS 15 if I'm facing bugs with iOS 16? Yes, but again, make sure that you have a backup. But I think there's also a method to bypass it. Holy shnikes, we have like 118 concurrent viewers at one point. Oh my god. I think this is the most that I've had in the live stream. 105, 101 right now. I think this is gonna be the most viewed live stream that I've ever done. That's pretty insane. My god. Anyway, but yeah, I think there's like, I believe Sonner's Tech last year, he made a video showing like a bit of a bypass and how you can keep your data but still downgrade back to iOS 14 when the iOS 15 beta was available. And so yeah, that's pretty cool. Almost 100 concurrent views. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Yeah, pretty insane. So yeah, MacBook Air. I really like the MacBook Air upgrade that they've done, and yeah, Gurman was right. Never doubt Gurman. Oh, first stage is done. We're rebooting into the second stage. MagSafe, 2 Thunderbolt ports. I kind of want MagSafe. I'll have to think about this upgrade, because if I do it, then I definitely would want to get one with more storage, because I definitely won't get 256 gigs ever again, but I definitely want to get one with more storage. So yeah. Hello from UK. I hope you go viral today. Thank you very much. Yeah, if I get a new MacBook Air, it's definitely gonna have more storage. It'll definitely be in midnight, and it'll definitely be yeah. I've seen the trade-in value. I think my trade-in value is like $440, which is pretty bad. What is the resale value of the M1 MacBook Air? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be terrible for resale value. Plus, mine has a huge dent on the back, so yeah, that's gonna be pretty hard to sell. Now with the M2 one out, that's gonna be very hard to sell. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, so this thing is gonna be available next month. Kind of glad that they're gonna be delaying them, because first off, it gives me more time, but secondly, they won't end up with the Mac Studio. So yeah. Can I get back to iOS 15 if I remove the banner profile settings? No, you can't. You have to use a computer and downgrade it with the IPSW file. That's the only way to do it. Oh yeah, the accessories. So, the accessories, they said there's a new compact USB adapter that you could get for the MacBook Air. Powering cables. It's under powering cables. They have a new, here we go, dual USB-C compact power adapter. This was leaked a couple of months ago, and I was kind of doubtful of this leak, but yeah, it is official. And yeah, MacBook Air M2 2022. Yeah, it comes in Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, Silver. I think Midnight's definitely my favorite color. Anyway, for those just joining in, we are in the second stage of installing on iOS 16 for macOS Ventura. Haha, we have about an hour remaining. I think I might do a separate video on Ventura, because this is gonna take forever. Hopefully my storage doesn't go completely insane. 38 gigs, okay. It's using up actually pretty decent amount of my storage, so that's definitely not a good sign. Yeah. I do like all the changes on this new MacBook Air. I think the new MacBook Air is definitely going to be pretty good. What I'm kind of surprised about is that they did do a it has a bin 8-core GPU. It's rumored to be 9 cores. It's 8-core GPU. It's kind of interesting, but it's still going to be upgraded with my 7-core GPU. 30-watt charger. I have the 30-watt charger on my current one, and the 30-watt charger already charges very fast. So yeah. Do you think they will put MagSafe on the iPhone instead of Lightning like the MacBook one? Well, I'm pretty sure you're talking about obviously the Snap-on like port style MagSafe. I would say no, because it sounds like they're just gonna move to USB-C anyway. So USB-C it is. USB-C I think is gonna be the move for the iPhone. Hopefully, if Guoming Shi and Gurman are right about that next year. So yeah, if they aren't right about that next year, I'm gonna punch one of them. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna punch one of them. But yeah, for those just joining in, we just bumped up to 90 viewers. I'm currently in the second stage. I'm just about almost done installing iOS 16 on my iPhone SE 2. On macOS Ventura, we have 2 hours remaining. I think I might do a separate video on Ventura because this is gonna take forever if we just sit here. So yeah, I know it's gonna be disappointing, but we're good. It just progress bar is gone. It looks like we're about done. Let me. Okay, it just rebooted. Beach balling, damn it. What the hell? There we go. We're here. We got it. Okay. Passcode. Okay, just saw the new lock screen. Hold up. QuickTime Player quit unexpectedly. Great job. macOS Monterey is the worst update for macOS ever. I'm just kidding. I think macOS Monterey is my first time experiencing macOS aside from Big Sur for like five on this MacBook Air. Okay, here we go. We have the new lock screen, so let me enter in my super secure password. And we are in iOS 16. First impression, it looks exactly like iOS 15 from the home screen. But just to make sure... Oh! Already some changes. Okay, then. Yep, 16.0. About this update. Or is it new about this update screen? 16.0, 20A5283 P. So that's the build number for first beta of iOS 16. Go ahead and do with that information what you will. Damn, I have a lot of free space back. I think I was at like 11 gigs. No, it's 17 gigs. Dang. What about software updates? Are there any changes like that? Oh, we don't have that. Dang. Wallpapers. Let's look at wallpapers. Add new wallpaper. We got the feature. It's the feature. The feature that was leaked for iOS 14. This is technically that feature. We got it. Let's go. We got astronomy. This is one I was kind of excited for. Let's allow all use gap. Sure. Done. Here we go. So apparently this should have a pretty cool animation. Hang on, Touch ID should. Touch ID is. I wish I had Face ID. Dang it. But it should be a cool animation. Oh man, it's kind of buggy. Yikes. Again, it's a first developer beta. It'll be fine. But yeah, that's a pretty cool animation. Nice, that's pretty cool animation. Yeah, I'll just clear out my notifications for now. Yeah, there we go. So I'm pretty sure. Let me put the default wallpaper for iOS 16. So there's color gradients. That looks pretty cool. We have pride. We have the dynamic wallpapers. So the dynamic wallpapers updated still. Are you kidding me? Oh, I mean, like they're kind of different hues, but they're largely the same colors. Oh my God, why has Apple never updated those wallpapers? We have the stripe colors still; those are the same. We have the Black Unity wallpapers as well. That's pretty cool. We have Pride wallpapers. We have collection. Oh, excuse me. We have collections. We have the Pride wallpapers. Are there any two styles for that? No, I don't think so. We have Pride wallpaper, or we have the default wallpaper. I think this is the default wallpaper for iOS 16. Enable perspective zoom, so we can have perspective zoom if we want. Disable perspective zoom. We have our widgets. We can add widgets on here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, add this wallpaper for now. This is. Let's see. Okay, so that's the wallpaper. Touch ID never works. There's haptics on the keyboard. I'll test that out in a bit. But yeah, there you go. That's the new default wallpaper for iOS 16. What about the light mode one? Oh, there's no separate one for light mode. Dang it. Uh, weather. Here's no location. Obviously, whatever. Man. QuickTime is being terrible. You know, whatever. Airplay. Yeah, we're airplaying it. All right, airplay. It is. So let's see a couple other ones. So it looks like we have weather. We have a weather uh, wallpaper. So I think this will change depending on like the weather like condition. So like right now, look at the widget. It's around the same colors as the widget. But I assume if we have like if it was like raining or something, then it'll be a bit different. So yeah, here we have weather stuff. We have what it looks like. We have Touch ID. I need to do that, but that works. So I have to use my passcode. Yeah, we could look at weather. We could look at weather information, which looks like it's not going to be working right now, but whatever. Um, we have a couple other things. We have photo shuffle, color. We can create our own wallpaper if we want. Color. We have emoji wallpapers as well. That's okay. We have spiral, large grid, rings. So let's see this. Is there like any special animation? Nah, I don't think so. There's like some haptic feedback. I can't like switch the lock screen. There's like haptic feedback. I don't know if you can hear that. Probably really hard to hear, but like there's haptic feedback. Probably say like, hey, this is not working. That's so weird. That's so weird that it won't work. Huh, that's a bit weird. What about these? So can't change that. What about disabled depth effects? You can change depth effects if you want. I think you can also add your portrait mode. Any bugs yet? Well, I guess if you count the fact that I can't. Oh, there it is. There he is. Now we can change it. Um, yeah, we have astronomy. We have that wallpaper coming soon, by the way. We have astronomy, collections, weather, emoji. We can add our own new one. We have the Unity wallpaper. I assume this is gonna be kind of like the Apple Watch, where they always add a lot of new ones later on. We have color, so we have just simple gradients if you want. We have emojis, so we can add our own emojis if we want. So I guess we can add melting, that, that, that. I don't know. But yeah, we can add that small grid, medium grid, large grid, rings, spiral. I think we can also add our own background. Yeah, background, color. We can do. Yeah, that fits pretty well. Yeah. We knew that we have weather, our own weather widget. We could, I think we could add road, like change our clock here. Let's like change it to like all different styles of font. That's pretty cool. and that's the time, so we could change it. That's yeah. Noticing it's kind of choppy here. Hey, live stream, that's not clickbait. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. Actually, no, it's kind of clickbait because I'm not doing Match West Ventura anymore because Ventura is taking forever to install. So, yeah, I am probably going to remove the Ventura from the title because Ventura, let me see where progresses are in Ventura. Yeah, nothing so far. So, yeah, I'm going to probably not do Ventura today. Sorry, but I'll probably do a separate video on it. Anyway, so we have, all those styles. We have, that the date. You need to change it to the events that we have. I'll just change it to date. We have, we can add our own widgets here. We have weather, so easily glance at the weather. We have, status of battery, and then we can just see that at top. We have more stuff for weather, so yeah, there you go. I guess we'll do sunset. So, can I drag it? There it is. I can drag it there. There we go. So can I like reorder it so I can put it on? Can't reorder it. Dang. Either that's a bug or that is not really been thought out yet. Anyway, temperature. Yeah, we already see that. Wind. I guess I'll also add wind on this one. And there you go. That's my custom weather thing. That's my custom weather thing. I could also link a focus on this one as well. It's pretty cool. Can I like delete one of these? Is there an option to delete one? Yeah, delete wallpaper. Yeah, and so there you go. That's what you can do with that, and then you can just select whichever one we're feeling like. That's pretty cool. Now we can do that, and we have all the colors, people, photos, weather, astronomy, all that stuff. So pretty cool stuff with the lock screen. The lock screen looks like probably the biggest, probably the highlight of this year for iOS. No phone battery widget. There is a battery widget. If I customize, add, yeah, batteries. You can see a battery widget, so you can add that. Oh, yeah, there you go. You can add that. So yeah, there you go. Show the iPhone 14 Pro. Always on display. Pretty cool. Yeah, Gurman said that. We'll get that. So there you go. So I guess this is kind of like our way of seeing the battery percentage. Oh shoot! What happened? It stopped airplaying. Okay then. It just switched to Wi-Fi network. Why? Why are you being so terrible today? Any lags? I'm thinking about downloading it. I've noticed some choppiness already. Again, it's a first beta, so it'll be choppy, but like yeah, it's a first beta, so it'll be choppy. Uh, yeah. So there you go. First beta is always choppy, and yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to the thing. What the? Shh. What the? Oh, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. We got an intruder. We got an intruder. Fudge. Put user in timeout. Come on, get rid of these thing. Okay, okay. Okay, we need to. We just got some very inappropriate messages in the chat there. So we just gotta take care of that. Anyway, back to the iPhone. Always on display on 12 Pro Max. No, no, always on display right now. No, always on display on any iPhone right now, and definitely not coming to a 12 Pro Max because the 12 Pro Max doesn't have an LTPO display, meaning that can't support uh it can't support the variable refresh rate, meaning that it won't be able to use the always on display. So yeah, and even if it was, it would probably be yeah. September 19th, I think, is gonna be for a public release. Did you install it on your main iPhone? Yes. Do not be like me. Don't install it on your main iPhone. You're gonna mess things up. Fitness app. Fitness app is now on the iPhone. Even if you don't have a Apple Watch, I'll set that up later. But that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, parallax view. I set that up. That's. It even moves the. Wait. It moves the like notification like bubble badge thing. That's kind of cool. How's notifications? Oh wait. Oh man, it has like its own custom animation when it like turns on. That's kind of cool. Do you have Apple Pay? Open Apple Wallet. I don't have Apple Pay, but let's just see Apple Wallet right now. Okay, there's some changes. We have orders. We have orders, so if you order stuff, I guess it'll pop up there. Add cards, same stuff there. You can add an Apple account card if you want. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. Home app. I think it was updated. Yeah, Home app is a bit different. Yeah, home settings, home view, I guess. Home settings. Yeah, you can like change. Yeah, you can change your wallpaper. The Home app. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We can change the wallpaper. There's even like yeah. I just banned that user because then yeah they were very inappropriate. They were definitely trying to scam some people because that is definitely not not family friendly. Well, I guess the couple will like that. So yeah, I'm kidding. Anyway, is there any updates to the weather app? The text looks a whole lot bigger now, but that's about it. So yeah, oh yeah, we can get enable notifications for that. So I guess we can do that. Maps, I think was updated. I believe if I go to Las Vegas had like some updates. I believe it had like better 3D view. 3D view looks like not to be look around. Yeah, look, it doesn't look like it's not working right now. But do you recommend installing it? Don't install it unless you have a backup or if you have a second device. Then yeah, I wouldn't recommend installing it on your main device. Don't be like me. Don't install it on your main device. I would recommend probably. I recommend probably if you have like a secondary device, probably do it. But yeah, don't do it on your main device like me. So yeah. Anyway, is there any updates to the Clock app? Clock app is on the Mac, but no updates to the Clock app on iOS. Well, whatever. Anyway, any updates to the App Store? Nah, there's no updates to the App Store. It looks like really like how is it handling so far? It looks like it's handling decent, but it's definitely not like too uh too crazy. Not it's definitely the most stable thing. It's probably I think it's more stable than iOS 15 beta 1 was, but yeah, let's see what else can we try out. Focus filters, filtered by focus. So yeah, we can use focus filters, I guess. Share play via messages. Oh yeah, my brightness got a whole lot brighter now. Passkeys. Does the iPhone 12 Pro Max have no event display? No, It doesn't, because it doesn't have LTPO, and so it won't be able to support it even if Apple wanted to. I mean, like, even if they wanted to, then the battery would be terrible. So yeah, live text for video. Live text for video. Let's try this out. Let me actually hold up. So I have these Apple event archives. So shoot, I realized it's AirPlay. It's AirPlay, so I can't be able to see it. Dang it. If only QuickTime would work. If only QuickTime would work. So yeah, please take a look at the music app. I don't have Apple Music, but I guess we'll just see. Yeah, just add 3 months for a price of one. I'll just do that later. Yeah, music app looks kind of unchanged. Yeah, I mean, like, there's just some design updates. Looks pretty unchanged. Yeah. Does the iPhone 12 Pro Max always on display? No, it doesn't. Okay? No, it doesn't, okay? I said that like 3 times already. No, it doesn't, okay? Anyway, what else can we look at? Live text, quick actions. Uh, let's see, what else is there? Reimagine home app. We already saw that. Matter, medications, pills. That's pretty cool. That was rumored already. Fitness for iPhone, so that'll be great. And set up new device for a child. Family checklist, next gen CarPlay, safety check, door detection, live captions, control Apple Watch with iPhone, buddy controller, and freeform, and a couple other things. Yeah, yeah. So, I mean, there we go. That's iOS 16, I guess. Um, what phone? Just got here. What phone are you using? I'm using the iPhone SE2. Watching this on the SE2, not my daily drive. I'm using the SE2 as well. I removed cards before installing Robert. Uh, try to crop things for photos. Yeah, crop things for photos. I guess. Let me see. Apple event or iPad Air wallpapers. Will this work? First off, things look a little bit different. There's like that. Oh, we have like things. Yeah, edit. Can you show notifications? Notifications. So notifications. Oh shoot. Yeah, I got that. Notifications look something like iPhone SE2 is my test phone. Notifications look like that. So they pop up like the bottom. Guess if I got more notifications, then I guess it would be more useful to see. I guess let's try out the MacBook Air here. Can I like? Hey, I can like drag it out. I can drag out the subject of it, and then I guess we'll drop it into notes or yeah, we can drag and drop it. I guess we'll shoot. Let's try it out. It failed. Oh, whoa. What? Uh, shoot. It's being a bit weird. What? What? Oh no. No no no. No 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 no. The spam guy is back. Is back. Is back. No no no. Yes 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 yes. Report. Yeah. Okay. 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 They're gone. They're gone again. Okay. Sorry. It's just oh my god. Why do they keep coming back? No, that's stupid. Okay, there we go. So we got the Mac Minis, and we can go into something like Notes. Oh, Notes is a bit different. And there we go. Uh, he said he has COVID. I don't have COVID. I got tested yesterday. It's negative. So, as you can see, the photo, it didn't do a really. It kind of messed up on the side here. Have you already showed the? You've already showed the lock screen customization. Yeah, I have. Uh, yeah, I have already shown the lock screen customization. I guess I'll create like a new one. I guess so. I'm gonna try to like make my own one. I think I'll use the astronomy one. I'll use the astronomy. Strange they didn't release the M2 Mini. Yeah, it's kind of weird that they didn't release the M2 Mac Mini. Um, but that's probably for a different day. I hope you will get sued. Yeah, I got tested. I got negative. But I'm just coughing, sneezing. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, maybe it's just a little cold, yeah. Um, as you can see, it didn't do a really good job when masking around the image. Yeah, it's just a little bit weird. Maybe if I had a better neural engine, maybe it might work, but I don't know. The upper allergy, yeah, probably something like that. Anyway, let me see anything else we could try. Let me look back at all new features. Yeah, lock screen gallery, photo shuffle, astronomy, emoji, colors, new design for now playing. I guess we'll try that out. Podcasts. Let's do WWDC 2022 Apple Keynote. Hey, that's the thing that we're covering right now. Oh shoot, it's playing in the background. Um, yeah, there we go. That's the design for now playing. Uh, yeah, it works like that. It works like that. So it's let me lock it. Unlock it. So yeah, it shows up more at the bottom. Um, yeah, I guess that's the change for now playing. Uh, there you go. And my iPad just died. It just died. My iPad's still gonna be supported with iPad OS 16 though. So I guess that's kind of cool. Again, that animation is just. Can we look at that again? Let's see that. Oh, that's so clean. Oh man, that's cool. Anyway, oh yeah, I need to update that wallpaper. Shoot, yeah, I'll probably have to like delete it. Yeah, I'll have to fix that. I'll have to fix that. That's gonna be a bit of an issue. So I'll just have a new widget there. Yeah, I'll just add probably like fitness widget. Yeah, I'll remove the fitness widget from here. Oh, I just let's see, fitness. I'll put the fitness widget there. Anyway, yeah, there we go. So that's I guess basically overall look at iOS 16. Let me look at the chat because my iPad is dead. Let me look at the chat from here, I guess. Series 3 has been a die-hard watch. Yeah. Series 3 is dropped. It is no. Even though I bet you Apple's going to be killing off the Series 3 like in a couple of days. Like probably like a couple of weeks now. Just like how they did with the iPad Mini 1. Like it still got iOS 9, but it was killed off in a couple of days after iOS 9 was announced. Because it was just too slow for iOS 9. And so Apple just killed it off. And yeah, iPadOS 16 is still supporting the iPad 5th gen, all the way back to iPad 5th gen, even and iPad Air 3 and all the iPad Pro models and iPad Mini 5. I'm pretty sure the reason why Apple's doing this because iPad 5th gen, 6th gen, 7th gen are still broadly used in the education market, so that's why they're still supporting it on the iPad 5th gen, 6th gen, 7th gen, but not on the iPad and on the iPhones still. So that's why I think public beta next month. Yeah, look at storage. Storage was like about like 6 gigs more. Yeah, 6 gigs more. Widgets are neat, but it takes a big hit. Big hit. Public beta next month. Public beta is next month, not public release. Public beta next month. And public beta is gonna be delayed. Public beta is gonna be delayed. It's gonna be with beta 3 rather than beta 2. So be aware of that. So it's not gonna be public beta is gonna push back a bit. So there you go. Yeah. Yeah, no, it didn't use 6 gigs. It gave me back 6 gigs. It gave me back 6 gigs of data. I was at 11.18. Now I'm at 1703. Yeah, it gave me back almost 6 gigs. It's pretty cool how much it gave me back. Um, let's see, privacy and security. They're calling it privacy and security now. Safety check, emergency reset, and managing that. So yeah. Developer mode. What? Developer mode. Oh, shout out to who just subscribed. Isaac Vincent, iOS. Shout out to you. Developer mode. This is new. This is new. Uh, your device security will be reduced. Restart that. Okay. Okay. I think I know what this is. Developer mode. So basically, I believe Apple has like a bounty program where basically if you find bugs in it or if you find like security vulnerabilities in the current iOS versions, then you have a chance to win a bounty from Apple. Yeah, that's actually a real thing. And so I guess to test that out, you can use the developer mode to try it out. Or if you're developing apps for Apple products, developer mode allows you to use features that are required by for app development. When developer mode is turned on, your device security will be reduced. So, yeah. Should one install it on a daily device? Don't do it on your daily device. Probably do it on like a second device. You're gonna do it on your daily device to make a backup, obviously. I've been waiting for developer mode. Great, enjoying where icons dancing because perspective, perspective view. If you shake it, then yeah, it'll change. Shortcuts. Or is there anything changed with shortcuts? This is what I've been waiting for. If there is there anything changed with shortcuts? All actions. Why not? And I don't think anything's really changed with shortcuts. Generate QR code. I mean, that's been there for a bit. Um, I don't think there's a lot changed with shortcuts. Oh, there we go. That's a couple of things I see. Overlay image. Yeah, overlay text. Seek. Subscribe to podcast. Count. Dismiss Siri. Continue. Device details. Get name. Nothing. Set appearance. Start workout. Okay, so yeah, we got a couple of things. Change your shortcuts. What about gradients? Choose icon. No new gradients, but it looks good. But there looks maybe just some new icons. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I might have to look further. Anyway. So I guess that's about it. I'll probably make maybe I might look a bit more deeper into iOS. What's the modem for? Can I install iPadOS 16 Beta 1? Uh, I mean, again, make sure you have a backup and make sure you have a backup. That's make sure you have a backup. Make sure that your device is supported. So iPad 5th gen and later, iPad Mini 5th gen and later, iPad Air 3 and later, and iPad Pro. All iPad Pro models are supported. And yeah, make sure you're ready for bugginess. What is modem firmware? For me, modem firmware on iPhone SE 2 is 3.50.03. There you go. Yeah. Quick Note, I don't think there's really different with Quick Note. Um, like, is there like Quick Note on iOS? Oh yeah, there's like the Spotlight search on the bottom, but it looks like search is not on the bottom. Like, there's supposed to be Spotlight search from the bottom, but it's not there. That's a bit weird. So new wallpapers. So there is new wallpapers. There's a lot of new wallpapers because well everything is new. Look at that. So we have collections, astronomy, color, pride, emoji, weather, and all the other astronomy faces. This one, solar system. The solar system. That's gonna be pretty cool to see. I want to see. Let me do solar system real quick, because I believe the solar system one on the Apple Watch, you can like see. Oh wait, oh that's new. You can see like all the older notifications just by swiping up, and you can hide all the notifications by just swiping down. That's cool. The solar system on the Apple Watch allows you to see all the individual planets, but looks like you can't do that with this one. Shame, shame. Uh, so you customize. We can do moon detail, moon, Earth detail, Earth. Yeah, that's cool. Allow astronomy to use your location. Sure. Yeah. And it shows like where you are on the Earth. That's so cool. That's so cool. It does block up the time though, so. Oh, you need to unlock your device to change it. Well, that's cheap. The Apple Watch, I don't think you need to unlock your watch to change it. That's cheap. That's cheap. Yeah, Earth. I'll just say just change it to Earth. Oh yeah, it's a big buggy. Yeah, you saw that. I mean, it is definitely better. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's definitely feeling a bit better so far than iOS 15 beta. iOS 15 beta was terrible. But yeah, it's still definitely not recommended. But yeah, it is still pretty cool. So that's iOS 16 beta, developer beta 1. Beta 2, if things line up, should be on hopefully the week of the 20th of June. Beta 3 should be the week of July 4th, Independence Day. So most likely going to be like July 5th or July 6th. And public beta should be like July 13th or July 14th. Um, or like the week of July 11th, that is. So public beta is definitely delayed. The public beta is delayed by a lot because the government said it, and yeah, it's because it's buggy. So apparently it's buggy, but I don't really see a lot of bugginess. But maybe it's more buggy later for other people. But yeah, let me catch up on the chat a bit. Yeah, smooth this iPhone 10 support. Yeah, new wallpaper lock switches. Can it be available for iOS? I don't think so. Maybe don't probably so. Sorry. But is there anyone watching here? No. Anyway, so there you go. That's all the changes so far that we can see with iOS 16. Big change, obviously, the lock screen. The lock screen is pretty cool. Um, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Yeah, W was pretty cool. Is there any changes in Tips app? What's new? iOS 16. Tell us what you think. Obviously, tell us what you think. Yeah. Anyway, it looks like iOS 16 pretty good update. Uh, Obviously, what's significant being lock screen and macOS 13 is taking forever. But yeah, there you go. That's iOS 16, and that's it for the stream. I think this is probably one of the most viewed live streams I've had. Let me see. 2,634. Yeah, that's one of the biggest ones. Um, so yeah, there you go. That's iOS 16 beta numero uno. Uh, I'm pretty happy with this beta, but things are definitely things are probably gonna change. Pro show iPad OS. Nah, I don't want to install iPad OS right now. Maybe I might, but yeah. Can you show us the widgets? I already saw the widgets. They're similar except fitness widget. Not as buggy as your cough. Yeah. Can you show us the lock screen? I already showed the lock screen, but yeah. And yeah, I don't want to install iPad OS, but yeah. There you go. That's iPad OS, or that's iOS 16, and macOS 13. I might do a separate video on, maybe. Let me see how much storage I have. 30 gigs. Why is it taking up so much storage? Oh my god, macOS updates take up so much storage. It's insane. Anyway, so yeah, that's iOS 16. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later, hopefully with the MacBook Air history video soon. Alright, bye.